Momentum. What is momentum? Momentum is a physical quantity whose definition is it is a product of mass and velocity. And most of the people basically remember momentum is a mass and velocity. And people never try to understand what it is. Instead, people try to remember the definition and formula. But if we do so, we're going to miss a very important concept. So momentum is a very important a physical quantity to understand. Our brain should understand what exactly it is. So let me give an example. We will understand what it is. So if I take two bodies, let a body of mass 1 kg, let a body of mass half kg or 500 grams. Both the bodies were at the same height from the ground. Let the height of both the balls be h. Initially both the balls were holded by person, so therefore initial velocities of both the balls were 0. Okay. So if let me take it 2 points on the ground. If both the balls left from the same height at same time, who will reach the ground first? Some people think 1 kg body will reach the ground first. Some say that half kg body will reach the ground first. But actually both will reach the ground at the same time because acceleration due to gravity acts on both the bodies are same. Therefore both will reach the ground at the same time. That means the velocity with which both the bodies reach the ground will be same. So that means their final velocities will be same. That means but my question here is, if I ask you to put your hands on the ground at point A and point B, which ball will give you more impact? Obviously 1 kg. But my question here is, since the velocity of both the balls are same, why do you get more impact on your hand when 1 kg ball falls on your hand? Yes, because the mass of the ball is greater. The 1 kg mass is greater than half kg. Therefore, though the velocity of both the balls are same, because mass is more, you got more impact, right? Let me give the same example in another way. So here I take 1 kg body and here I take another 1 kg body. Now I am taking same mass, but both are at different heights. Let this height be h1 and let this height be h2. If a 1 kg body meets at point A and other 1 kg body meets at point B, if both the balls were left at the same height, same mass and at a different heights, then which body will reach the ground first? Obviously A ball will reach the ground first and B ball will reach the ground later. But which body will have more velocity at the time when they reach the ground? Obviously B ball will have more velocity than A ball because it has undergone acceleration due to gravity more duration compared to the first ball. That means the velocity of B here is greater than velocity of A. But mass of A is equivalent to mass of B. Here mass is same, but velocity at which the ball hit the ground will be different. Again, if I ask you to put your hand on points A and B, now which ball will give you more impact? Obviously, B ball will give you more impact than A ball because the velocity of B is greater than velocity of A. Though their masses are same, because of the velocity you have received more impact on your B hand. So that's mean by it. Momentum is nothing but the impact carried by the ball or the mass. Whenever any body is in motion, it possesses some impact. That impact, or we also call it as a quantity of motion. That quantity of motion is depends upon two parameters. One is mass. In the first case, since both have same velocity but mass played role. But in the second case, since both have same mass but velocity played role. Therefore, momentum is a physical quantity of a body which basically defines as the impact of the body, which can be defined as it is a product of mass and velocity. It's a combination of both mass and velocity. So if two bodies have same mass and if they have different velocities, then the body which has higher velocity will possess more momentum. If two bodies are different masses are moving with the same velocity, then the body which has higher mass will have same momentum. Therefore, momentum can be defined as it is a product of mass and velocity. It's a combined effect. So both parameters will play a role, and momentum is measured in kg meter per second, and dimension formula for momentum is m power 1, l power 1 and t power minus 1. Momentum is a vector quantity, so therefore it depends upon magnitude and direction.